Welcome to the Henri Outdoor Lab. We are currently using a conductivity meter to measure the conductivity of water going through a filter. The filter is sand, biochar, and more sand. Currently, the water being poured through the filter is a distilled water solution of extremely low conductivity, and what's collecting in the jar has gotten contaminated by some dirt that flew over the sides because when I put the plastic in for pouring, I filled the beaker over, and it had to go down below the level of the beaker before it would start dripping again, so it overflowed out the edge, over the edge of the beaker. Basic overflow problem. In order to solve that, I have decided to collect that last 100 milliliters of the first liter through in a glass. So I should be able to substitute the glass for the larger container and get an accurate measure of the turbidity of the 100 mils or 150 mils of water that's left in the graduated cylinder before I put the next water through. The idea is to see if the biochar in the filter will make a difference in taking iron out of the water that we have here. The bottom layer is coarse sand and rocks from the creek. Then there's a biochar. Then there's fine sand, which came from a different portion of the creek on a place we called the beach. But my initial pouring in of water disturbed that top layer and allowed the lighter biochar to float up through the sand and make the top of this not quite as clean as I would have liked it. Every different iteration is a learning experience, and this is filter number 4. My first 3 filters were dismal failures. This one may not be. We shall see. That has been an extended Lenny moment, which is an Henri Inquisition. Take care. Namaste.